Alright, how to add text to any video. First, hop over to VEED.io. You can create an account for free. Or you can click on the first link in the description to go straight to the website. Once you're on the homepage, click on upload your video, then click on upload a file, select your video clip, and click on open. Now the video is imported and uploaded into VEED's online video editor. Now let's add some text to this video. Head over to text in the left menu. Then you can choose a text template or a text style. And after you chose one, you can easily change the words in the text box on the left. Under the text box on the text style, you can customize the text to your liking. You can edit the font style, size, color, spacing, background, and much more. You can also change the size and position of the text by clicking and dragging the side and corner options of the text. To time the text in the video, head over to the timeline and simply click and drag the sides to extend or shorten the text layer. This way you can decide when the text will be shown in your video. Now you can easily add more text by heading over to the text menu and clicking on add another text box. You can edit these texts separately, and you can maneuver back and forth by clicking on the text you would like to edit. Oh, and as a bonus, under elements in the menu, you can also add some emojis and stickers to spice up your video even more. You can resize and reposition those elements in a similar fashion as text by clicking and dragging the side and corner options in the video. Okay, now I'm satisfied and I want to export my video. To do this, head over to the export button in the right top corner, choose your preferred render settings, then click on export video. Once the video is rendered, you can choose to share the video with your friends through the share options. Or you can download the video by clicking on the download MP4 button on the right. And that's how you quickly and easily add text to any video. Thank you so much for watching, good luck and have a nice day.